Hey bears, it's Amy here from the Bonjoro team, and I'll be guiding you through how you can install and use our brand new Chrome extension. First, you'll need to head to the Chrome store and type in Bonjoro. Then simply click Add to Chrome. Once it's added, click on the Bonjoro icon on your Chrome bar, sign in and grant permission. Once that's all done, simply set up your camera and microphone and choose whether you want to record a screen recording, webcam recording, or a screen and webcam recording. I'm going to do a screen and webcam recording. To start, simply click Start Recording, choose the screen you want to record and click Share. You will then be given a 4-second timer to compose yourself, and then off you go, recording your video. Once you are done recording, either click Stop Sharing at the bottom of the screen or click on the red flashing circle in the top right-hand corner. This should now open a new tab that will take you to your recording. From this page, you can name your video and choose the template to go with it. When you've had everything set, click Share. And there you have it. You can now copy the link of your video and paste it anywhere. Or you can copy the link and thumbnail and then paste it in an email like so. You can find all your recordings in the Recordings tab. You can also reuse any of your Chrome videos by clicking on them. You can also change the template and name if you feel like it. Then click the share button and again you'll have a link ready to share to whoever you want to delight. And there you have it. That is how you can use our brand new Chrome extension.